This is Xana. She was refit in 2021, but not just refit, completely rebuilt. They gutted the entire inside of the boat. So she's completely, everything inside the boat is completely new, completely redesigned. The crew were involved in all of the rebuilding process, and they're the same crew they have been for 7 or 8 years now. The charter manager was also involved in the rebuild. So it's a very intimate boat, it's very well lit, but very clean. And what's really nice is you can feel that the crew love the boat and you can feel that they know the boat really well. So let's have a little look outside. Whenever I first speak to charterers, and particularly first-time charterers, they have a lot of questions about where to go, which yacht, which crew, and we're there here to help navigate all of that. So we know which yachts you need to be looking at, which locations are going to be perfect for what you have in mind. And sometimes people come to me and they want to charter in Croatia, but I listen to what they want to do, and I say, hey, you should actually have a look at Greece. So we're here to give you the right sort of movement and let you know all the different factors you have to consider. Give us a call at DMA. We're here at all the yacht shows. We know these yachts and we're here to help you choose the perfect vacation for your family.